Hi, Renee Hasseltine here from shareyourpassion.com.au. And in this video, I'm talking to you about the importance of sales and marketing if you want to be successful and leveraged and loving it. If you want to make more money, work less, and have more fun in your business, you really need to embrace sales and marketing. I built my one-on-one practice over and over again because, I like to start again and reinvent the wheel. But I did that every time on word of mouth and referrals. I didn't need to actually have any sales and marketing skills because I could fill my practice one-on-one, no problem. But selling one-on-one is so much easier than selling one-to-many. If you're moving into that leveraged model where you want to transition into working, in group programs and running events and doing all that stuff, you can't rely on word of mouth and referrals. You actually need to have some sales and marketing skills in your business to make sure that you can get those bums on seats, or you can sell those products, those online courses, etc. It's just, I have no, I don't know any business owner who can do it without learning the sales and marketing stuff, right? So it's really, really important that we learn those skills. And this is not my zone of genius, right? I'm not claiming this by any stretch of the imagination. I learned to get bums on seats from Francesca Moy, and I'm so grateful for everything I've learned from Francesca. And, I tell all my clients, if you want to learn how to get bums on seats, go talk to Francesca, because it's not my zone of genius, right? And I don't want to teach that stuff that's outside my zone. But it's really important that you learn how to do it. Really, really important. Otherwise, you'll have the world's greatest product, but be the world's best kept secret. The one thing I will say, though, that once you've created a signature system and you've got those visual models, you will get a massive benefit in terms of your sales and marketing, because those visual models do a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to converting those sales. And also it'll mean that in terms of your marketing, you'll have an endless supply of content marketing material based on those visual models. So I'm not saying, so even though sales and marketing is not my zone of genius, you will get a lot of benefit by creating those visual models in terms of sales and marketing. And then, you want to learn from someone who's an expert in that zone, how to get more bums on seats and sell more product in that one-to-many scenario. Okay, so that's sales and marketing. We all know this, right? Even if we don't want to admit it out loud. We all know if you want to be successful in a leverage business, you need to have some sales and marketing skills. So I would love to know, which sales and marketing skills have you mastered? Which ones are the ones that you're working on? Let me know in the comments so we can have a chat. I'm Renee Hasseltine. Thank you so much for watching.